ABS MXL lift stands back in stock. When you're at the track or when you're in the garage, they're the way to go. Simple to use, straight out of your van. Up over the top, slide her under, and up she goes. For all your maintenance at the track, if you need to oil your chain, need to do a bit of work, MXL's the way to go. Fits most of your dirt bikes. Non-slip rubber mat, lifting height of about 380mm and a resting height of 265mm, so it'll even fit under your small junior bikes. MXL available at leading bike shops.